Hi everyone, we invite our US partner Trust to our expression today, and today we will discuss some topics. And first one is about our app. We have a plan to expand the app this year. And why do you want to create an app for the customer?
Right. So we want an app. We want an application that makes it very easy for our customers to have A to Z endpoint. So customer can come order their products. They can download the user manuals. They can upload the warranty information, and they can interact with the community and to see how to better use our products and apply our products. Okay, so this is the main screen of our application. And the best thing to do is to go here. Okay, so as I said, once you purchase one of our products, you can go directly here to the warranty. Actually, after you purchase a product, the warranty is automatically updated and you will see all your warranty information right here on this page. And we give our customers a full 12-year replacement warranty, no questions asked. And again, all that information is populated right here. Okay, so after the warranty, you can, if you have any issues at all, 24/7, we have our contact number here. And you also have a submission form right here to send your details. And we will get back to you within 24 hours with any issues you have, or maybe you have questions or inquiries about products, we can get back to you as well. So that is our contact page. And also a really cool feature that we have training videos. So all of our products, we have training videos that you can source and learn how to use our products, and as well as user manuals. So in an effort to save paper and be better on the environment, we are opting to upload all of our user manuals directly to that app here. And coming soon, we'll have our facts and lightning deals for all of our products. And lastly, coming very soon, we'll have all of this integrated into AI.
Thanks for detailed information for introduce our app. The customer can start to use the app.
Sure. As soon as the customer orders the product,
Yes,
they can download the app. It's ready to go.
they can use all functions
Yeah.
with our app.
It's ready.
Thanks for
Yeah.
introduction.